song in the hills hails unto ye, the lark in the morn, a sweet melody. Come hither, come yon, arise with the sun. Come from the fields, the fair has begun. And come, come, come to the fair, sing and dance, 'tis joy in the air. Come, come, come to the fair, ye maidens and laddies are all welcome here. The mist in the morn lets dew on the leaves, hands from the field put down golden sheaves. Flowers of yellow and violet and red be decked away as their fragrance is shed. And come, come, come to the fair, sing and dance, 'tis joy in the air. Come, come, come to the fair, ye maidens and laddies are all welcome here. There's weavers and artisans, men from the guild, pipers and harpers and luters so skilled. Gently they weave as they ply their trade, so come fill your wickers with the treasures they've made. Now the dashing young archer, his arrow flies true, the artist gives pigments a warm, pleasant hue. The smithy at the forge, he's the master of all, the cooper with staves is a work in his stall. And come, come, come to the fair, sing and dance, 'tis joy in the air. Come, come, come to the fair, ye maidens and laddies are all welcome here. Come peasants and tradesmen, merchants and king, come taste the fruits of nature's wellspring. And when at the close, as twilight shone, farewell with graces for the long journey home. And come, come, come to the fair, sing and dance, 'tis joy in the air. Come, come, come to the fair, ye maidens and laddies are all welcome here. And come, come, come to the fair, sing and dance, 'tis joy in the air. Come, come, come to the fair, ye maidens and laddies are all welcome here. Yes, ye maidens and laddies are all welcome.